Halo semuanya, selamat pagi, selamat datang kembali di Hasugian Channel. Hari ini adalah hari Minggu, hari kedua penyelenggaraan event Kuala Lumpur Standard Chartered Marathon 2025 yang tulisnya itu dilaksanakan di Stadion Merdeka, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Jadi hari ini yang diperlombakan ada dua kategori saja, yaitu half marathon dan full marathon. Sedangkan kategori yang lain seperti kides, 5 km dan 10 km sudah dilakukan hari Sabtu kemarin. Oke, jadi untuk start sendiri half marathon dan full marathon sudah dilaksanakan tadi pagi sekitar jam 3.30 dan jam 4. Kemudian di sini saya akan membagikan ke teman-teman untuk momen finish. Ini ada zona buat sharing, kita coba meliput mulai di area ini, siapa tahu nanti view-nya bagus.
The first to finish at Stadium Merdeka.
I want to make a shout out to our volunteers.
Oh yeah.
Because there are about 2,000 volunteers and you can hear them at the finishing line. So
Can we hear them? Volunteers, make some noise! Now we can hear them.
that's how many there are and that's how dedicated they are into supporting everyone passing their finishing line. Runner, you have made it. You have passed your running mission for today. And in this whole stadium is a beautiful sight for any one of you. Come up at the stands. You can get a full view of what Kuala Lumpur Standard Chartered Marathon 2025 looks like. From the stands on our right, Terrence and I are standing at the podium. You can see the cheer zone. And that's where you see all the sea of green. That's all the half marathon runners coming through. And also at the food zone area, that's the first time we have something to go and fill our stomach. On this day where the weather is, the sun is great, perfect time for a turnover, my friend.
And we want to welcome back runners from around the world from China. Welcome back. Congratulations on finishing your ASICS 21K run.
Standard Chartered Marathon 2025.
Absolutely. Speaking of leaders, we just saw the Chief of Police of Kuala Lumpur cross that finish line. Yesterday we had the Minister, Yang Muhammad Syamali Khan, Minister of Science, Technology and Innovation crossing the finish line. So we do see leaders in our own right. Actually, actually coming forth and showcasing that fitness and health is definitely something that we should all prioritize. So thank you for showing up, being a part of the 42,000 strong crowd here today. Testament of the human spirit. Coming together regardless of race, age, gender, it doesn't matter. Everyone is running on the same track, on the same 42 kilometers, on the same A6 21-kilometer run. Congratulations to all our finishers.
And when you are back, after your race, do pop over to the tents that you see on the field that's been set up. We got activities there for you for Pantai Hospital Kuala Lumpur. The runners can appreciate a juice, a fresh juice over there. And you can also check out the A6 booth, the 100 Plus booth. The A6 booth, you can go and see what kind of shoes are available. We have been talking about the shoes that we're wearing, which is the Sonic Class, the Tokyo edition. I just saw a couple of runners too, and they were looking down saying, oh, very good shoe, which means we need to run. I don't know if Terrence will agree with me on that, but definitely with these shoes on our feet, I would want to give a go at a good run. Again, a very warm welcome back to all our runners. Welcome back, welcome back. See those smiles. Oh, Superman is in the house. Great outfit to pass the half marathon by A6. And more full marathon runners are coming through. This is your first time. Congratulations. You have officially put marathon in your portfolio of running. And we see our paces now for 4 hours and 30 minutes. Thank you so much to our pacers. And you are getting closer to the end of your race, the full marathon. Thank you so much to our pacers. 4 hours and 30 minutes has just passed. And for those of you who know, there is also a Pacers Exchange program with Dorigo Events, the organizer of KRSCM. We do have a couple of pacers that are here from the Gold Coast, and some of the pacers would also be flown from Malaysia to Gold Coast, and that is the exchange program. So it is like a sister neighborhood, sisterly neighborhood. Fantastic work! Well done! Well done, well done to all our runners. You have completed your race. Hands up in the air. We got volunteers who are cheering you all the way.
And you can be a part of our cheer squad as we welcome back the final mile, the final runners, which is of course one of the staple highlights here at the Kuala Lumpur Santa Charter Marathon. Our final runners for the marathon will be joining us at the 7:15 mark. So we look forward to having all of you alongside us as we cheer them on towards the finish line. Now we want to thank, of course, all our partners, A6 Pantai Hospital Kuala Lumpur, Ahmad Terrasan, Counterpain, High Five, 100 Plus, Seiko, and Tudong People. And a big thank you as well.
2 years, and if this is your first time, thank you so much for being a part of us. It is also historical because Standard Chartered Bank, they are celebrating 150 years, which is a time they were around even before the light bulb and the telephone. Fun facts.
That's incredible for continually being a part of the Kuala Lumpur Standard Chartered Marathon. And I don't know if I recognize that character, but it looks like a purple dragon.
I think it's a Pokemon. It could be a Pokemon. Just now.
We have a Sun Wukong Monkey King somewhere out there as well. And we do have a host of other colorful characters every year, which tend to actually make this event more colorful. We have a runner that ran barefoot. He could use some A6 shoes to help power his run.
But it was an extra challenge for him.
So now he knows what it feels like to run without the A6.
Yes. Then with the A6, like the Sonic Boss or the Mega Boss, you have that extra bit of cushion. Probably it would be a different timing. But still, incredible feat. Completely barefoot, to really feel the ground, a lot of grounding, I would say, over there. And to have an afro, I've worn an afro before. It's not exactly the funnest thing in the world.
Especially on a 21-kilometer track.
No, have you worn an afro before?
I have, but you know.
You don't have
For entertainment purposes.
This extra running and a feat to be in costume while running.
And congratulations once again, we can't say this enough. You just completed a full marathon in 4 hours and 33 minutes. Congratulations, guys. And to the ASICS half marathoners, you have completed your runs in 3 hours and 20 minutes.
For the full marathon, we are going to cap it at 7 hours, which means for anyone who is running, they can't hear it now, but they have roughly about 3 hours in less than 30 minutes left on the clock. 2 hours and 30 minutes left on the clock.
Coming up next, we should be getting into the prize presentation ceremony. So, to members of the media and our photography crew, please do be on standby. We'll be getting into our prize giving at around 8:15, which is on the schedule. But however, please do be on standby for that. We are looking forward to also welcoming back our final runners. That will take place at the 7 hour and 15 mark, which is in just under 3 hours from now.
Here in the stadium, which is our finishing area, we have set up food zones for you at the top of the stand. You can see some tents at the top, and you will see that there are foods. I was told that there is a very cooling bochondol, which is something you can hear in my voice. Those are two iconic dishes. Go inside, please. You got 50
From China. They're making their debut here today, so congratulations. But as we speak, the 4 hour 30 pace
10-kilometer run, which was the Pantai KL 10 km, and this Sunday, the other sister is doing her debut for a full marathon. So welcome to those sisters in Brunei to Malaysia, and I do hope I get to see you somewhere in the sea of green and blue.
If you don't, you always can tag Lenora on social media. Give her a shout out there.
Not mine. You can tag both of us and each other. I will definitely be able to spot you from there.
They're already doing selfies via the KLSCM app. You're also helping to trend that hashtag, so please kindly do so.
Congratulations to our cosplay.
And also
Oke, saya rasa itu saja untuk video kita kali ini di finisher half marathon dan full marathon Kuala Lumpur Standard Charter Marathon 2025. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa untuk klik like,